I love you. They're three simple, wonderful words, and they sure make one feel truly special inside when hearing them. We tend to live our lives day by day, all too often exposed to angry, hostile, or negative energy that is directed toward us from other unhappy and frustrated individuals. Every one of us, including you, deserves to be spoken to with respect, with loving and kind words that nurture and warm your soul to fill it with love. So over the next few minutes, I'd like to tell you how wonderful you are and how much I love you. I'm going to repeat each of the phrases 3 times so that it gives your subconscious mind enough time to luxuriously accept it into your being, using those 3 glorious words to help brighten your day. Please relax, get comfortable, and just listen. I love you very much. I love you very much. I love you very much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I really love you for you. I really love you for you. I really love you for you. I love the person you are. I love the person you are. I love the person you are. I love you dearly. I love you dearly. I love you dearly. You are so loved. You are so loved. You are so loved. Many people love and appreciate you. Many people love and appreciate you. Many people love and appreciate you. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much. You are truly loved because you're a wonderful person. You are truly loved because you're a wonderful person. You are truly loved because you're a wonderful person. You're just lovely, and I adore and love you. You're just lovely, and I adore and love you. You're just lovely, and I adore and love you. I love you just the way you are. I love you just the way you are. I love you just the way you are. You're such a special human being, and always remember that there is someone in this world who loves you. You're such a special human being, and always remember that there is someone in this world who loves you. You're such a special human being, and always remember that there is someone in this world who loves you. I just love you because you're terrific. I just love you because you're terrific. I just love you because you're terrific. Wow, I love you. You really are something, and I just love you so much. You really are something, and I just love you so much. You really are something, and I just love you so much. Loving you is easy to do because you're so kind and simply wonderful to be around. Loving you is easy to do because you're so kind and simply wonderful to be around. Loving you is easy to do because you're so kind and simply wonderful to be around. Truly, I love you. Truly, I love you. Truly, I love you. I do love you. I do love you. I do love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you for listening, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope that lifted your spirits a bit. And always remember that it's nothing wrong with saying, I love you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Breathing deeply in and out, feeling relaxed, feeling your whole body is relaxed and comfortable now. Breathing deeply into the space between your eyebrows, turning your attention around, becoming the observer. Breathing into this state of inner being, starting in this space of awareness of all that you are and all that you are becoming. Using the power of your vision, of your mind, to create, and the power of your belief, your faith in what you really are, to bring life to you. Let's tell the new story of our loving relationship with our partner, our love. Breathing in, breathing out. We are together now. I am with the one that makes my heart sing the loudest. We are so close to each other. We move, rest, lay in each other's fields, and feel so good. I feel completely in alignment with my own inner being first. And that is how you came to me. That's how we found each other. I was feeling so good within myself, so tuned in to who I really am. And then you just appeared in my world, and we just knew that we were meant to be together, that we would have a sensational adventure through life together. We are not exactly the same, and that is okay. It's more than okay. It's awesome. We are able to grow together, to assist each other, to complement each other. Wow, what a feeling this is, to feel so close and comfortable with someone. I feel like I can be myself completely, in my ebb and flow, and you still love me. In fact, you love my ebb equally as much as my flow. Wow, to feel this comfortable and in love with someone is amazing. I love the feeling of our passion. Oh, I love our passion, the passion we share, the feeling of our skin touching, the intimacy, the vulnerability. It feels really good. I love our conversations, how we just seem to keep raising and raising our vibrations together, how we smile so much when we talk to one another, because we feel so heard, so understood, so connected. I love the way you look at me. I can see the sparkle of appreciation in your eyes. I feel my eyes sparkle and my happiness oozes out when I look at you and all that you are, because I appreciate you so much. Being with you makes me feel like I can really be me. I could not have imagined love to feel this good. We don't always agree on everything, but I enjoy this because we both know that we don't have to think exactly the same ways about everything. We respect each other enough and value each other enough to allow a difference in opinion and still completely love each other and feel really great about our connectedness. I really enjoy time together, walking, talking, playing, having fun, being intimate, sharing our lives, our families. I am so grateful you are in my life. I'm so happy being with you. I love you. Now it's your turn. Be specific. What does your love really feel like with the perfect partner? Take your time. Really know how it feels. Breathing deeply in and out.